Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, then go to the Fix and Manage section, then select if you want to import, like if you want to import from SIM card or from file. We're gonna import from SIM card. So here you can select which contacts you want to import from your SIM card. I'm gonna import them all. And as you can see, now I have these contacts on my device, and also have them not only on my device, but like a SIM card too. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.